So -8 into -3, 4. 4. This other example I have taken, you can understand better because here is minus also. Okay, minus minus also, so it will make your concept very much clear. तो हम ये कहना चाहते हैं, if there is minus also, then also we will proceed same as. Okay, so -8 into 4. Okay, -8 into 4 and minus, बीच में माइनस रहेगा. सेम प्रोसीजर व्हाट आई डिड हियर. ओके, -8 इंटू 4 तो हो गया, देन -3 इंटू 2. ओके, सो -8 4 जा -32 एंड माइनस 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 तो है ये, वैसे की वैसे लिखिए. -3 2 जा -6. नाउ -32 एंड माइनस इंटू माइनस दैट इज प्लस. सो +6 इक्वल टू व्हाट, -26. क्लियर. तो ये इतना हुआ. ओके, नाउ दिस यूर बीइंग क्लियर. तो आपका एग्जांपल हो गया, यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट आर द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ क्रैमर रूल. ओके, नाउ फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द क्रैमर रूल. ओके, नाउ determinant method or Cramer rule formula. Cramer rule formula. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला. देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. तो लेट द इक्वेशंस आर a1x प्लस b1y इक्वल टू c1 and a2x प्लस b2y इक्वल टू c2. क्लियर. तो ये दोनों आपके इक्वेशंस हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन and this is the second equation. Clear. So there are both equations now, and here x and y are variables. Clear. X and y are variables, and a1 b1 and c1 and a2 b2 c2 are the real numbers. Okay, so here x and y are variables. Clear. X and y are variables. a1 comma b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are real numbers. Okay, one more thing is there. a1 b2, one more thing is there. a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. Okay, what, a1 b2, if we are multiplying a1 into b2 and b1 a2, so that should not equal to 0. Okay, and a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. Clear. Both should not equal to, value should not equal to 0. Both minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा, कैप डेर फोर कैपिटल डी इज इक्वल टू वाट, दैट इज A1 A2 B1 B2, क्लियर। dx इज इक्वल टू C1 C2 B1 B2, ओके। dy इज इक्वल टू A1 A2 C1 C2, okay, and one more thing, therefore x is equal to dx upon d, comma y is equal to dy upon d, okay, x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. This is the formula, and I told you what is the value of dx, what is the value of dy, and what is the value of d also, so you can find out dx and dy, clear। तो ये आपका हो गया, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दीज आर द फॉर्मूला, ओके, फॉर्मूला व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, क्लियर। तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3, ओके। तो प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 का क्या हो जाएगा, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, हियर आई एम सॉल्विंग प्रैक्टिस सेट practice set 1.3। one more important thing I want to tell you कि इन लास्ट एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 लास्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड का लास्ट क्वेश्चन, ग्राफिकल सोल्यूशन व्हाट वी फाइंड आउट, तो प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 इसका लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू का सिक्स, दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एग्जाम, ओके, बोर्ड एग्जाम, सो प्लीज़ यू डू इट, ओके, प्रॉपरली। तो देखिए आप क्या हो जाएगा, नाउ कम टू प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3, ओके। सो देर इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, fill in the blank with correct numbers, okay। So first question is there, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct numbers, so there is the numbers 3 2 4 5, clear। so ये हैं आपके नंबर्स, सो क्या हो जाएंगे आपके 3 इंटू 5 माइनस 2 इंटू 4, क्लियर। सो 3 इंटू 5 माइनस 2 इंटू 4, सो इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3 5 जा 15 माइनस 2 4 जा 8 इज इक्वल टू 7, ओके। सो नाउ 5 is what, here you have to fill up, and that is 5, and here you have to fill up, okay, so that is the 2, okay, and here also 15 is there, clear। so what you have to fill up, these are the boxes in that you have to fill up, and you did it, okay। so the first question completed, simply you have to find out value of the determinant, and we find out, clear। so first question आपका complete हो गया, now come to the second question, what is the second question, second का first question is what, find the value of the following determinant, okay। so this is also we have to find out values, okay, that type of question is there। so -1 2 -1 2 7 4, clear। so we have to find out values of this, तो इज इक्वल टू -1 4 जा -1 इंटू 4 -1 इंटू 4 एंड -7 इंटू 2. Okay, so minus 1 4 ja minus 4. Okay, minus 1 4 ja minus 4 and minus 7 2 ja 14. So is equal to what? Minus 18. Clear? So this is the final answer. Okay, so now 5 minus 7 3 0. Clear? So this is the determinant you have to find out now. So what is its solution? Same as we have to find out its value. So what is there? 5 into 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus, and one more minus is there, minus 7 into 3. Okay, so is equal to 0 minus minus 7 3 is minus 21. So is equal to what? 21. This is the final answer. Clear? So this is the final answer, 21 is there. Clear? So second question also being completed. Now come to third question. Third question is there, 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 and what? 3 upon 2. 5 upon 3, 1 upon 2. Clear? So this is the here determinant. Now we have to find out. So कितना हो जाएगा आपका? You will do cross multiply. So 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2. We will do cross multiply. Minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Clear? Is equal to, so 7 1 ja 7 upon 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 3 ja 15 upon 3 2 ja 6. Clear? Now here denominator is same. So what should be the value? Okay, 7 minus 15. Clear? 7 minus 15. So is equal to what? Minus 8 upon 6. Okay, minus 8 upon 6. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So is equal to what? Minus 4 upon 3. Clear? Answer minus 4 upon 3. Okay, तो ये आपका this being completed. Okay, this also here being completed. Clear? So this second question, second का first third part, second third part, all three parts being completed. Now we have to solve the third question. Okay, third question in the equation is given and we have to solve this by the Cramer method. Okay, we have to solve this by the Cramer method. So I am solving here. So third question is there. Third question, solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule or method. Okay, we have to solve the following simultaneous equations. So first is what? 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. So this is the first question. Now 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So this is the second question. ओके, तो 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. These two equations are there. ओके, तो इफ़ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, तो उसमें हम देखते हैं, फाइंड आउट करते हैं व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ a1 b1 c1 एंड व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ a2 b2 c2. ओके, सो 3x माइनस 4y, तो क्या हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन a1 इज इक्वल टू a1 फॉर द, देखो तो इट इज, दीज आर लुकिंग लाइक ax प्लस b1 by इज इक्वल टू c, a1x प्लस b1y इज इक्वल टू c1, a2x प्लस b2y इज इक्वल टू c2. क्लियर? सो वी विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट, okay, what is the value of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So a1 is equal to what here? 3. Clear? b1 is equal to what? b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10. Clear? Same as come to here, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to 5. So ये आप पा गए. क्लियर? ओके, तो ये आपके तीनों हो गए. नाउ कम टू द डिटर्मिनेंट, कैपिटल डी. ओके, सो डिटर्मिनेंट कितना हो जाएगा? डी इज इक्वल टू a1 b1 a2 b2. सो a1 a2 b1 b2 इतने हैं. तो देन आफ्टर व्हाट विल बी देयर? a1 a2 b1 b2, a1 इज व्हाट? 3. तो आप पहले इस डिटर्मिनेंट के वैल्यू निकालो, बिकॉज दिस इज डी. हम वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वी विल फाइंड आउट वैल्यू ऑफ डी, डी एक्स, डी वाई. ओके, एंड देन वी विल फाइंड आउट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, वाट एवर फार्मूला हियर आई told you. Okay, so you find out value of d, dx, dy, and then x and y. So value of d is what? Determinant a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, so a1 a2 b1 b2, a1 is equal to what? 3, a2 is what? 4, b1 is what? minus 4, b2 is what? 3. Okay, now so is equal to 3 3 ja 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 is equal to 9 minus 16. Okay, so 9 minus 16 is equal to what? 9 plus 16 is equal to what? You got 25. Okay, now come to dx. Now you come to dx. dx is equal to what? dx is equal to c1 c2 b1 b2. Clear? So these are the determinants we have to find out. Okay, तो ये हैं आपके. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से हियर, इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, देखो डी वाले में सी वाले टर्म आपके क्या हैं? ओमिटेड. ओके, इफ़ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेल डी, आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस formulas, how to memorize easily. Okay, if we talking about d, okay, if we talking about d, then c term is not there. Okay, c term omitted, and simply a1 a2 b1 b2. And if we talking dx, okay, so then a1 terms are a1 a2 means a term a are omitted, same as if dy, then term b is omitted. Clear? तो like this it will be easy to you for memorize. Okay, तो देखिए आपका क्या हो जाएगा. So dx we have to find out. D is equal to 25 we got. Clear? Now we have to find out dx. तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा आपका, now dx is equal to c1 c2 b1 b2 is equal to c1 c2 b1 b2। तो c1 कितना है, दैट इज c1 is how much, 10, and c2 is how much, 5, okay। b1 b2 c1 c2 b1 b2, b1 is how much, -4, b2 is how much, 3, clear। So now 10 3 is -5 into -4, clear। So here is what, 10 3 is 30 minus -20, so is equal to what, 30 plus 20, that is what, 30 plus 20, so is equal to what, you will get 450, clear। So you will get value 50, clear। So this is the value of dx। Now you have to find out value of dy। dy is equal to what, this is y term na, so for the y there is b1 b2 term will be omitted, so a1 a2 and c1 c2 is there, clear। So is equal to what is there, a1 a2 c1 c2, a1 is how much, a1 is there 3, a2 is there 4, and c1 c2, so a1 is there 3, a2 is there 4, and c1 c2, so come to here, c1 c2, c1 is what, 10, c2 is 5, so c1 is 10, c2 is 5, clear। So we getting 3 4 10 5, okay। So 3 4 10 5 is equal to what we will get, we will get 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4 is equal to 15 minus 40, so is equal to minus 25, okay। So we got this value, clear। dy also you got, that is minus 25, clear। Now by Cramer rule, Cramer rule, x is equal to what, dx upon d, okay, is equal to dx is how much, dx you got 50 upon d is how much, d is 25, so is equal to your 2, clear। Now come to the y, y is equal to dy upon d is equal to minus 25, dy is what, minus 25 upon d is what, 25 is equal to minus 1, clear। So what is the solution, therefore 2 minus 1 is the solution, clear, is the solution। This is the final answer, 2 minus 1, clear। तो ये आपका हो गया। So this question also being completed here। So थर्ड का आपका क्वेश्चन, थर्ड का फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया, ओके। दिस वाज क्वेश्चन थर्ड फर्स्ट। Okay, third ka, this was the first part. So first part also being completed. Now we have to solve second part. Okay, so second part also we have to. So I am starting second part. Second part is there.